Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for TNPSC Group 4. Start by mapping the syllabus into daily study blocks and set weekly targets to build momentum. Break topics into short, focused sessions and include active revision every few days to reinforce memory. Use past papers to spot patterns and weak areas and adjust your plan as practice shows gaps, keeping study consistent and manageable for steady progress consistently. I will cover effective techniques and resources to boost your TNPSC Group 4 science scores. Start with concise notes and mnemonic devices for tricky facts, and turn theory into quick diagrams for fast recall. Regular timed mock tests reveal pacing issues and recurring errors, so analyze each test and focus on weak spots with short drills. Keep a steady routine of practice, review, and small adjustments to improve accuracy and confidence daily. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long TNPSC Group 4 study sessions with the Owala water bottle, which fits backpacks and keeps water cold. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one easily. It's a small comfort that keeps focus and energy up during mocks. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will explain a revision routine tailored for TNPSC Group 4 science that fits busy schedules. Allocate core topic days, keep one mixed revision day, and include weekly full-length practice tests to build exam stamina. Combine textbooks, short video lessons, and question banks to vary learning and prevent burnout, and use small study groups to explain concepts aloud. Track progress weekly, and tweak the plan to focus on remaining weak topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.